Hey, what's up, everyone? If you've been doing photography for a while, you know there's a common problem that we all face at some point, and that is either dust on your sensor, if you have a DSLR or mirrorless camera with interchangeable lenses, dust gets in there sometimes, or just simply a dirty lens. And if you don't notice it before you go do your shoot, the problem is every shot you take will have those dust spots on it. So, for example, here's a shot that I took at one of my first air shows. And I can see a couple of spots right here. If I zoom in, I can even see more. So there's one, there's one, there's one, there's two, there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. And you can imagine they're throughout the image. If you ever want to see if you got dust spots, take a picture of a cloud, take a picture of the sky. You'll see them immediately. Now, the problem is I could go into the new enhanced remove tool here in Lightroom, and I could do a great job of clicking them one by one, making my brush smaller, and getting them all out. I'd have to do that, I don't know, 50 times in this photo, 100 times in this photo, because there's some that I'm not even noticing right now. And I'd have to do it for every single photo I took that day that I want to use. Well, there's a feature that just made its way into Camera Raw this week. It's in the 17.5 release of Adobe Camera Raw. And it's not in Lightroom yet, but I'm going to go ahead and head over to Photoshop with this image so I can show you how this will work. So I'll hit my keyboard shortcut that will take me over to Photoshop. You can see that this image is opening in Photoshop right now. And we'll pop over to Photoshop and take a look. There it is. All right, so same image, same problem, same dust spots. They're there. And now I want to get rid of them. Well, I can do this in Camera Raw natively with Camera Raw in Photoshop or in Bridge, but it's also part of the Camera Raw filter, which makes it great to go back and forth between Lightroom until the feature appears in Lightroom. So I'll go up to my filter menu, and first, just to make it non-destructive, I'll convert for smart filters. That'll convert this into a smart filter layer, and then I'll go in under the filter menu and come down to the Camera Raw filter. Now, the Camera Raw filter, or Camera Raw in general, has been getting a lot of the AI updates first as a way to try them out. So remember reflections and people? Those started in Camera Raw. Now they're in Lightroom and Lightroom Classic as well. And even the people one is in Lightroom on mobile. But Dust is brand new as of this week. So I'm going to go ahead and twirl down Dust. You can see it's still in beta. It's in early access. And I'll just click Apply, and we'll give it a few seconds to process. We'll let it do its thing, and then I'll show you what it's done. All right. And as you can see, everywhere you see a little circle, all throughout this image, is where the AI found those spots. And if I zoom in here, has already removed them. You're seeing the circles of where they were. But if we want to see what they used to be, we can just come over here and click and hold to toggle the visibility to see the before and the after. So every little spot throughout the image has been dealt with thanks to the new dust removal AI, something every photographer I know can agree upon as an amazing new addition to Adobe Camera Raw. And I can't wait to use this on more photos. And again, I no longer have to do this one by one, dot by dot on every single photo I've taken that day. I just process them all and be done with it. So check it out. Go update your Lightroom. Lightroom also got a better enhanced remove tool in general, less hallucinations. Instead of it replacing the selection you made with other things, it's now doing a much better job of knowing to remove. And also the new dust removal in Camera Raw, in Camera Raw proper, and Camera Raw filter in Photoshop. And once I click OK, all I'd have to do now is save this, go back to Lightroom, and it will appear right next to the original. We'll catch you on the next one. Go update today. Bye, everybody.